Canva is absolutely fabulous for creating quite dynamic little video clips, but the audio selection on their music side of things, well, have a listen to this. I mean, it's just a whole different level, right? But the trouble is, this is 2 minutes long, and our little clip here for Robert's RV World is 11.8 seconds long. Don't worry, I've got a little fix. So we grab our track and bring it into Adobe Audition, and then we activate the remix facility within Adobe Audition. And then all I need to do is put in the time. How fantastic is that? So all we need to do now is export this track out, upload it to Canva. We delete out the tracks we don't want, bring in the new track. It's exactly the right length, and we can export this, and away we go.